America is in the middle of one of the biggest internal migration shifts in modern history. Millions of people are quietly rethinking where they live. Not because they want a change of scenery, but because for many, the place they once called home no longer feels worth the cost. In some states, housing has become nearly unaffordable. In others, taxes continue rising while residents feel they are getting less in return. And in a few, long-standing problems around congestion, crime, weather, or economic opportunity are pushing people to make a decision they never thought they would make. Leave. Now, to be clear, people still move into every state in America. No state is literally emptying out. But when you look at migration trends, moving company reports, census estimates, and housing demand patterns, some states consistently stand out as places more people are leaving than entering. And what makes this shift fascinating is that many of these are not struggling rural states. Some are among the richest, most famous, and most influential states in America. Yet despite their reputation, thousands continue packing up and heading elsewhere. So here are the 5 U.S. states Americans are leaving fastest in 2026, and the reasons behind it. Starting with number 5. Hawaii. For many people, Hawaii sounds like paradise. Warm weather, world-famous beaches, laid-back island culture, and scenery that looks like it belongs in a travel commercial. But living in Hawaii is very different from vacationing there. The biggest issue is cost. Hawaii consistently ranks as one of the most expensive places in America to live. Groceries are dramatically more expensive than the mainland. Utilities cost more. Gas costs more. Basic household goods cost more. And housing prices remain among the highest in the country. In many parts of Hawaii, even middle-income earners struggle to afford homeownership. For younger residents especially, the dream of buying property where they grew up has become increasingly unrealistic. That has pushed many locals and long-term residents to relocate to mainland states where their income stretches much further. There are also broader economic limitations. Hawaii's economy is heavily dependent on tourism. That creates vulnerability when tourism slows, but it also means many jobs outside certain sectors are limited. So while Hawaii remains beautiful, many residents are making the difficult choice that beauty alone is not enough to justify the financial pressure. At number 4. New Jersey. New Jersey benefits from proximity to New York City and Philadelphia. It has strong schools in many areas, major industries, and dense infrastructure. But it also has one of the highest tax burdens in the country. Property taxes in particular are a major pain point. For many homeowners, annual property tax bills alone can feel like a second mortgage. Combine that with already expensive housing, insurance costs, and general living expenses, and many residents begin asking whether staying is financially rational. The state also faces constant criticism over congestion, long commutes, crowded suburbs, heavy traffic, dense development. For people who can now work remotely, the logic of paying premium New Jersey costs while no longer needing daily access to New York has weakened considerably. Many former residents are instead moving south or inland for larger homes, lower taxes, and more space. At number 3. Illinois. Illinois has long struggled with population loss, and much of that comes down to a combination of taxes, governance concerns, and regional economic imbalance. Chicago remains one of America's most important cities. But outside the Chicago metro, Many parts of Illinois have seen slower economic momentum and fewer opportunities. Meanwhile, residents frequently cite concerns around taxes and fiscal management. Illinois has some of the highest property taxes in the nation. Combined with broader state financial challenges, pension concerns, and budget pressures, many residents worry those burdens will continue rising. Crime perceptions, especially related to Chicago, also influence migration decisions. Whether statistically justified in every case or not, perception matters. And many families cite safety concerns as part of why they choose to leave. For retirees and families alike, nearby or southern states often appear to offer similar or better quality of life at lower cost. At number 2. New York. Few places in the world have the prestige and influence of New York. But prestige does not make rent cheaper, or taxes lower, or apartments larger. New York has faced sustained outmigration for years, especially from higher-cost areas. The most obvious factor is affordability. Housing costs in New York City and surrounding metro areas remain extreme by national standards. Renters face enormous monthly costs for relatively limited space. Homebuyers face prices that put ownership out of reach for many middle-class households. Taxes are another major factor. New York's state and local tax burden is among the highest in America. For high earners and business owners especially, that has increased incentives to relocate. Remote work has accelerated this shift. Many workers realized they could keep similar salaries while moving somewhere dramatically cheaper. And once people experience more space, lower bills, and less density elsewhere, many never return. Which brings us to number 1. California. California remains one of the most economically powerful places on Earth. If it were its own country, its economy would rank among the largest globally. It is home to world-leading industries, iconic cities, and unmatched natural diversity. Yet despite all of that, California continues seeing major outmigration. Why? Because for many residents, the math no longer works. Housing is the single biggest factor. In many California markets, average home prices are so high that even six-figure earners struggle to buy. Rent is also punishingly expensive in major metro areas. Then add high taxes, high insurance costs, high fuel prices, and expensive everyday living. For many households, the financial burden simply becomes too much. There are also lifestyle concerns frequently cited by departing residents. Traffic congestion, urban overcrowding, homelessness visibility in major cities, public safety concerns in some areas, and frustrations over governance or regulation. To be clear, California is still attracting talent, investment, and migration in certain industries. But the number of residents deciding they can find a better balance elsewhere remains significant. Especially when nearby alternatives like Nevada, Arizona, and Texas offer lower costs and growing job markets. So what does all of this mean? It does not mean these states are collapsing. Far from it. Many remain economic powerhouses, cultural centers, and highly desirable places for millions of people. But it does show that Americans are becoming increasingly pragmatic about where they live. Prestige matters less when rent consumes half your paycheck. Beautiful weather matters less when homeownership feels impossible. Big city access matters less when remote work makes location flexible. For decades, people often moved toward famous, established economic centers almost automatically. Now many are asking a different question. Not, where is the most prestigious place to live? But, where can I build the best life for the money I earn? And that question is reshaping the country. Entire regions are growing because they offer a combination of affordability, opportunity, and lifestyle that many older high-cost states struggle to match. The result is a quieter but profound geographic rebalancing of America. Some of the nation's most iconic states remain powerful. But for increasing numbers of Americans, they no longer feel practical. And practicality is winning. The coming years will likely determine whether these states adapt to keep residents, or continue watching moving trucks head elsewhere. Because in modern America, people are more mobile than ever. And they are voting with their feet. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into the trends quietly reshaping America. Because where people move often tells you where the country is heading next.